Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a black chicken curry. The reason this chicken curry is black is the masala or the ground paste is black in color, and the authentic name for this is kala chicken. Kala means black. So let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe quickly. So here I have 1 kg of chicken, to which I'm adding ginger garlic paste and green chili paste, and salt, and I'm going to marinate this and let it sit for at least half an hour. If you let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, it's even better. So now let's start off with making the masala. So I couldn't find my jali or the tray that I used to put on the flame so that I can burn these things. So I'm putting it directly on the flame, so I have to hold it with tongs. Here I have half a coconut which is dried, and I've taken about 2/3 of it. So I've just cut a small piece and left it aside, and I have 2 small onions and I'm going to blacken those two. I'm going to put it on flame. You can do it on a barbecue and you want to blacken it completely. You can even make smaller pieces that will give a blacker color. Even for the onion, if you want the gravy to be even darker, you want to cut it in smaller pieces and then blacken every small piece on all sides. And sometimes people will just peel off the black piece and again on the insides they will blacken it on the flame. So we are going to grind this. Here is the paste and this is the consistency. So I've taken about 2 tablespoons of oil here. To that I've added some of the whole garam masala or whole spices. So if you're eating a lot more oil than I'm right now, or if you're on keto completely, which is a high fat diet, then you can take a lot more oil and then cook this masala in that oil, which makes it even more delicious. But I'm not doing that because I am cutting down on the oil a little bit. And once they've warmed up, I've added some chopped onion and let it get a little softer. This is some turmeric powder, mixed chili powder, which I have shared the recipe to in a shorts. And this is some Kashmiri chili powder, which will just give it that bright color. Add a little bit of garam masala here. Once that is done, I'm adding my chicken. I'm going to saute it a little bit to the point where it looks cooked on all sides. If you don't want a red tinge at all, and if you want this to be completely black in color, you can add green chilies. And then we're adding the masala that we ground, and now we've added the masala. We're going to keep mixing this together. I've pressure cooked it for 5 minutes. So the chicken here cooks within 5 minutes. Some water, and we're going to put it to cook. I've seen a lot of recipes in which people talk about cooking chicken for 20 minutes in a pressure cooker. I have no idea why that needs to be done. Maybe the bird is a little different, but here within 5 minutes of pressure cooking, this is completely cooked. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's delicious. Give it a taste as always to adjust for salt. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the recipe and will give it a try. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell right next to it to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. And enjoy this with a bhakri or a millet flatbread, which is what you're seeing here. So I serve it with that. If you want to know the recipe for the millet flatbread, I'll have to have somebody who's an expert in making help me share the recipe with you. So let me know about that in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye.